What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change directory and list the contents in that directory all with one command. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, let's do ls-l to see where we're at the minute. Now I will go to the desktop and then a bash directory and then list all the contents in that. So cd desktop and then bash and then semicolon and now ls-l. There you go, all with just one line. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.